Dear students, today's topic is some terminologies that are used in the software testing. So first is error, mistake, bug, fault and failure. People make errors. So a good synonym is mistake for the error. So this may be a syntax error or misunderstanding of a specification. And when developers make mistakes in the coding, then that is called as the bugs. An error may lead to one or more faults. So a fault is a representation of an error, where representation is the mode of expression such as a narrative text, it may be data flow diagram, ER diagram, source code, etc. And defect is the synonym for the fault, and a failure occurs when fault executes. Next terms are test, test case and test suite. So test and test case terms are used interchangeably. Both are same and treated as a synonyms. Test case describes the input description and expected output description. So inputs are of two types, precondition and actual inputs, and it gives the output. So expected output are also of two types, post condition and actual output. So during testing we have to test the expected output and actual output, observed output, and if both are different then the program is having a error, and if both are same then program is not having any error. So this is the test case template in which we have to write the test case, and the set of test cases is called as the test suite. Next is verification and validation. So these terms are used interchangeably, but it is having a different meaning, and IEEE has given the definition for verification and validation. So verification is a manual process and it is called as the manual testing, and it is done in the initial phases. So we will call verification, it is the process of evaluating a system or component to determine whether the products of a given development phase satisfy the condition imposed at the start of that phase. Okay. Whereas validation is the process of evaluating a system or component during or at the end of the development process to determine whether it satisfies the specified requirements or not. So verification is done in the early phases like in the requirement, design, coding and testing phase, where validation is done during or at the end of the process. So validation requires to execute the program. So we can call testing is the combination of both verification and validation. Next is alpha, beta and acceptance testings. So when we give our software product to the customer, then customer can try it with the strange inputs, okay, and because of that strange input the output is also different. So because of that the customer is not appreciate our efforts. So to overcome this, it is necessary to include the customer in the software development process or in the testing. So there are three types of testing in which the customers are involved. First is acceptance testing. So this testing is used when the software is developed for the specific customer. Means when the software is developed for the specific customer, then a series of tests is conducted by that customer, and they can report the bugs. This is called as the acceptance testing when the software is developed for particular customer. Next type of testings are alpha and beta testing. So alpha and beta testing are used when the software is developed for the anonymous customer. Means there is no particular customer, here the customers are anonymous. So here formal acceptance testing is not possible. So the group of potential customers are identified and they do that alpha and beta testing. So alpha testing is a testing which is conducted at the developer's site by the customer. So these tests are conducted in the control environment and here the developers are present. So in the alpha testing developers are present. It is done at the developer site, while the beta tests are conducted at the customer or end user site, and here the developer is not present in the beta testing. It is done at the customer side and that it is not executed in the control environment, it is executed in the real environment, and here developer is not present. So this is the acceptance testing, alpha testing and beta testing. In the next section we will see functional testing.